Okay, so we're about to spray foam, insulate. Again, this is for our processing cool room. And so I bought these from Energy Efficient Solutions out of Dallas. Again, they didn't pay for nothing. They didn't sponsor in any way. This is just based on our own research. Plus they're in Texas, so we're going to keep our money in Texas. Each inch of this sprayed is 6.5 to 6.7 R rating. So I need to get to 25 R rating. So after talking with the company, they said I need roughly about 4 inches. So knowing that, we went with 2x6s on the inside so that I can make sure that I have enough for 4 inches with a little bit of room to spare. So I'm not going the full 6 inches, obviously, because I don't think I'll have enough. I've never spray foamed before. The guy gave me some pretty good instructions, said start from the bottom up, and so that's what we're going to do. And so we're going to open these up. So on these, if you don't know, there's always an A and a B, and they combine together to a spray foam. So we're going to see what all it has to offer in each. And there's instructions that we will read. He said there's several different nozzles, so we'll figure out which nozzle goes to which. Here's the hose with a spray foam gun, and then the tank.
It looks like a propane tank.
Don't need your commentary.
I'm gonna put that in there.
Don't need your commentary?
All of it.
And here's B. It's just got that stuff in there. So, here are the tanks. Give me a minute to read the instructions, and we'll let you know what we do. We gotta shake it for a minute or two each. And then we gotta put the red to the A, black to the B. We provided a wrench to make sure it's nice and tight. And then we gotta take the gun, and it's got jelly in there that we got to put onto the gun here. And then we can put our dispenser on. Nozzle. Spray nozzle.
Oh, it's so heavy.
I said they told me?
No, I said it's heavy. This is. It's gonna be shaking for 30 seconds.
I'm just nosing. And the shoe is dozing. What are you trying to do?
I gotta shake it.
Why?
Because that's what the instruction says.
I thought.
Get hot.
Yeah, it is.
You want your Apple Watch?
Which one is this one? B. I need A.
Okay, there.
Oh God.
I want to do it one last little.
And those directions, was it red to A?
Red to A, B to left.
Can you,
Or what? What do you need?
like a towel or something?
Hey, Jane, go get it.
Okay, where's that jelly at?
What's the jelly for? Oh, okay.
She eats it.
Around the nozzles, you said? Like that?
What it says to do.
A little bit, or it doesn't matter?
Just says put it on. Alright, get that directional one, nozzle, the one at the...
This one? Go ahead and put it on.
Yep.
Just snap it. Did I put it on right? Okay.
Mask.
Do you want to take your watch off? You can do it, right? Oh, she ready to put it on.
There we go. All right, I think we got roughly about an inch. So I gotta go over it at least roughly 3 more times. So I still got 2 A and B here. So it's messy. So we're gonna have a lot of cleanup afterwards, but it's fairly easy. You're really just coating it, letting it expand, letting it dry, coating it again. It's not the hardest thing in the world, just tedious. But overall, so far getting pretty satisfied. So I'm trying to stay off of the 2x6s where we're gonna put the drywall on, but we can scrape those. Other than that, it's going pretty smooth. Check back in with you later.
little happy in a couple places. So what we're doing today is we're taking this tool and this tool. This tool is to scrape off the wood so that we can put the drywall on and it won't be uneven because of the foam sticking out. This one is to cut it like this. I'll do it up here. It's actually a drywall tool, but it's doing the job. And I got Hunter over here helping me out. Say hi, Hunter.
Jesus. All right, we got it all completed. Some areas are about probably 4 inches, some are 6 inches, some are a little less. So you'll see here, back here, we just added some rock wool that we used for the ceiling, and we just
That's what it's called?
insulation. Yep.
Oh, okay.
So we put that up where it was light. It's hard to tell after the fact where exactly you're at and how much. So I think all in all, this thing's probably gonna be closer to an R30, which is nice. Because the ceiling is R30.
Which you can't tell.
Huh?
I said you can't tell 'cause
Yeah,
it's
we put
on.
the drywall up, and then most of this is more than 4 inches. So all in all, everything was good. Even with the second tank, the closer I got toward the end, the more runny it got. We'll show you here what's going on.
Okay.
So you see it's running, and it's running down to the bottom. So the instructions didn't really say exactly what the when to end or when to stop doing it. So I went till I started seeing that it was running. So we're gonna let it stop running just so it dries out completely, probably overnight, and then we'll come back in and drywall and get that done, and then we'll put the door in and we'll butcher, and then we'll finish it out. And we'll bring it apart. That'll be later though. Just we gotta get a butcher done. So that's where we're at. So hopefully you guys learned something. It was fun doing. It was easy for the most part.
What was something that you did not like about it?
This running part once everything's done, did not like it all.
While I was watching Jeff do it, I felt like it wasn't super consistent. And I'm not saying it's... I
think
don't know.
that's user.
You think it's user
I think it's user. Because when you watch the professionals do it, they know how to do it.
Mm-hmm. It just didn't come out very fast. Like, I think I've seen a couple videos of them doing it, and they're just... And it's
Professional
fast.
equipment.
Professional equipment. Okay, fine.
This is DIY. So
Okay.
I think that's really what it was. It was me. Because I could make it go faster.
Oh, you could?
Mm-hmm. But I didn't want to go too fast. I didn't want to go too slow. I was trying to keep a happy medium. But it's not as pretty as a professional.
No.
But we're not professionals. So.
We are not.
But overall, I'd do it again.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's good. It's quick and easy. Didn't take but a couple hours.
Yeah.
And that's really kind of us. We were pausing, trying to let it see where it expands. I think the thing is it doesn't expand as
Quickly.
as much even as the spray foam that is sold at the stores.
Oh, yes. Where is it? Little can.
It's okay.
That one expands a lot. This
Yeah.
one didn't seem to expand as much.
No, but I think they're obviously different products. So, but overall, I'm happy. I think it did good, and now we'll get it drywall and move on.
All right.
So be prepared for that video.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Yep.
Give us a like, comment,
It's hot.
and we'll talk to you later.